Instead of going to our hotel and rest, we will go to
Mall Road.
Mall Road. It's nice.
Yes.
So it's nice.
Place.
They said it's nice, so we need to go and we need to show you.
ठीक है तुसी जितना कहना उस तरह बिल्कुल बेहतरीन है यार इतनी ठीक है
Instead of going to our hotel and rest, we will go to
Mall Road.
Mall Road. It's nice.
Yes.
So it's nice. They said it's nice, so we need to go and we need to show you. Finally reached Mall Road. This is one of the busiest Murree. Which one?
left side
Okay, so we finally made it. Mall Road, Murree. Honestly, it's packed. It's freezing, man. But look at this vibe. The fog is just over the shops. It's actually kind of magical. So we just continue to explore the Mall Road, Murree, and see you in a bit, guys. We also decided to buy some souvenirs, Murree, which is some wood keychain, and so on. Just observing Mall Road. My honest key takeaway from this is just it was so busy. As you can see, there's a lot of people here around, and it's really cold. It's full of lights and a lot of shops to choose from. So yeah, we are just exploring, anything goes. That's it. Oh, they have also restaurants here. They can grill for you. And you know, one thing I surprised was there's a KFC also in Murree, as you can see from the video. Yeah, so we're just walking around. Not so much to see in this video, but this is like a walking tour for Murree Road. Remember, when you visit Murree, don't forget to go from this road. This is one of the best place for you to visit around. I'm literally shivering, it's so cold. So first thing first is the matka chai. Just look at the steam on that. There is serious nothing better than holding a hot clay cup when this is cold. And that first sip, oh, that's the one. It's got that smoky, earthy taste. This is a game changer.
Or you want in cup?
कॉफी भी है चाय भी है और चॉकलेट है माइलो है कैपुचिनो आज आज ये चाय कॉफी थोड़े से हमारे
Now happened. Do you remember?
And as we continue walking, we decided to visit Hamza Cafe to get out of the wind for a bit, and we just happened to walk in on this live Qawwali. So let's listen to this. I'm gonna quiet for a second so you can actually hear this. It's really beautiful. Okay, so we're heading back. That was one of the kind music I've ever heard here in Pakistan. My ears are happy, but my stomach is definitely not. So we're heading back now, and we had to stop for a quick pizza. I saw some quick pizza shop here in Murree. I know pizza in the mountains, but look at the cheesy pull. When it's this cold out, hot carbs are basically a requirement. I'm gonna finish this before it freezes over. If you've ever been to Murree, let me know your favorite spot in the comments. I'm heading out. See you guys in the next one. It will be more exciting as we are moving to the new Murree, Patriata. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. This is Mark, documenting stories from the road.